Hi, my name is Sanjeev Kumar, and this is my project. It is built with using a React and a React Fleet library to display the React earthquake activity on an interactive world map. And app uses a real-time data from the USGS earthquake API. And this is app.css code, app.js code, app React.js, and index.css, index.js, and we have a logo also, and setup test.js, and readme file package.json. First I am showing this all, and now I am going to explain this code data how I did this. So app.js fetching data in the app.js file. I started importing React and hooks uses the use effect and my components and my components import React here import React use effect use state from React, import map view from components map view, import error message from components error message. uh, I use three pieces of state, one of earthquake data, one of error, and one for loading. Constant earthquake set earthquake use state, and we have a reporting wave vital.js setup.js. This is a library just to room, and I uses three pieces of state of earthquake data and one more error and one of loading, and constant earthquake set earthquake inside use an effect. I fetch data from USGS 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 API. If the responses is okay, it convert the JSON and store the earthquake features in state. If there an error or no data found, then it will set an error message. Instead, use effect. I have used where uh, this this will affect as then we will have to put as a trust API, and if it's okay, then it will new error network responses was not okay, and return. Finally I am going to run this code, and we have a local host, and it will finally mm, here the code is running, and finally in the return section I handed three cases. It is still loading. I saw yeah, it's open now. The code is running successfully, and I saw the error message. Otherwise, it's a render map view. Return div. In the map view point, I use a React Leaf render to a interactive mapper. I set up the mapper and the center point at latitude 20 and longitude 0, and a zoom level of 2, which give the global view, and then I look through each earthquake in the data and place a market at its API, and gives coordinate in the order. So I swap them and mark the key position geometric dot coordinates. Uh, Here we have seen the where is the earthquake visualization, and The error message component is a simple. It just show the error in the red text, and finally its conclusion. So to summarize, the app uses React hooks to fetch earthquake data from the USGS API. It displays this data an interactive map using React Reflect. Each marker shows earthquake details in a pop-up. It also loading and error handling for a smooth user experience. This is my earthquake visualization project.